Dear children, welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss some problems based on the last concept. Did you remember what was the last concept? Yes, if two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third sides of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. Okay. So, our first question is ACBD in the figure a parallelogram? Why? Okay. ACBD. This is a quadrilateral. Now, we want to check this quadrilateral ACBD a parallelogram or not. Okay. Now let us use the given conditions. What are the given conditions? So first we have to consider two triangles. Which are the triangles? Triangle ACB and triangle ADB. Okay. Consider triangle ACB and triangle ADB. Okay. In triangle ACB, you have given AC equals 6 cm and in triangle ABD, BD equals 6 cm. Okay. That is, what is given? AC equals BD. The next, AC equals BD. What is next? AB equals AB. This is the common side. AB is the common side of both triangles, triangle ACB and triangle ABD. The next, angle CAB equals angle CAB equals angle DBA. Angle DBA. This is 35 degree. Now AC equals BD and AB is the common side. Then angle CAB equals angle ABD or DBA. So we can say that the two sides and the angle made by them of triangle ACB and triangle ABD are equal. Okay. Or in both the triangles, two sides and the angle made by them are equal. So we can say that the third side and the other two angles are equal. Okay. What are the third side? Yes. BC equals AD. BC equals AD. Why? The two sides and the angle made by them of both triangles or triangle ACB and triangle ABD are equal. So the third sides are equal and the other two angles are also equal. Now, what are the other angles? Yes. Angle CBA equals angle CBA equals then angle DAB. What is the reason? Since AC equals BD. Okay. Then angle CBA is opposite to the side AC. Then angle DAB is opposite to the side BD. Then AC and BD are equal. The next, angle C equals angle D. Why? AB is the common side of both the triangles. Okay. So we get angle DAB and angle CBA are equal. Okay, that is in quadrilateral ACBD, AC equals BD, AC equals BD, and also BC equals AD. Okay, now listen. BC AD, these two angles are equal. Angle CBA and angle DAB are equal. What about these angles? Yes, these are the alternate angles. Okay, if the alternate angles are equal, the sides BC and AD are parallel. Okay, or the lines BC and AD are parallel. Yes, we can say that angle CBA and angle DAB are alternate angles, that angles are equal, thus the lines AD and BC are equal. Here the sides BC and AD are equal and parallel. Okay, now let us take the another pair. What is this? Angle CAB equals angle DBA. Angle CAB, these two angles already given in the question. The measure of these angles are 35 degree. Okay, then angle CAB equals angle DBA. These two angles are 35 degree and these are the alternate angles made by the line AB meeting the pair AC and BD. Okay, these two angles are alternate angles made by the line AB meeting the pair of lines AC and BD. That is, or thus we can say that the lines AC and BD are parallel. That is, the sides AC and BD are parallel. Now we got the sides AC and BD are equal and parallel, and also the sides AD and BC are equal and parallel. Okay, you have studied in 7th and 8th standard the condition of parallelogram. What is that? Yes, in a quadrilateral, if the opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Okay, a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel is called a parallelogram. Thus, the given quadrilateral ACBD is a parallelogram. Okay, in your question AC equals BD, then AB is the common side and you have given one angle CAB 35 degree and DBA 35 degree. So the two sides and the angle made by them of triangle ACB and triangle ABD are equal. So the third sides and the other two angles are equal. That is, the sides BC and AD are equal, and also angle CBA equals and angle DAB. These two are the alternate angles. Thus, the sides AC and BD are parallel, AD and BC are also parallel. So, the quadrilateral ACBD is a parallelogram. Okay. Students, our next question. In the figure below, M is the midpoint of the line AB. Compute the other two angles of triangle ABC. Okay. Then M is the midpoint of AB and you have given angle A is 50 degree. We want to find out the other two angles of triangle ABC, or angle B and angle C. You have given angle A 50 degree. Okay. Then if M is the midpoint of AB, we can write AM equals MB. Okay. Then CM equals CM, that is the common side. If we consider triangle AMC and triangle BMC, AM equals MB. CM is the common side of both triangles, triangle AMC and triangle BMC. The next, CM is perpendicular to BM, is also given in the question. Okay. So we can write angle AMC plus angle BMC equals 180 degree. Then angle AMC equals angle BMC equals 90 degree. Why? Here you have given 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 degree. Sum of the angles AMC and BMC is 180 degree. Okay. So what do we get from this? Yes. Two sides and the angle made by them of triangle AMC and triangle BMC are equal. Okay. The angle AMC is made by the sides AM and CM. Here also the angle BMC is made by the sides BM and CM. They are equal in both triangles, that is triangle AMC and triangle BMC. So we can say that the third side and the other two angles are equal. What are the third sides? AC and BC. Okay. That is, we can write AC equals BC. But our question is, compute the other two angles of triangle ABC. Now we have to find out here. Angle A equals 50 degree. The angle A is opposite to the side CM. Then we can write angle B is also 50 degree. Why? Angle B is opposite to the side CM. Okay. We can write angle A equals angle B equals 50 degree. So angle B is 50 degree. Okay. Now next we have to find out angle ACM. Angle ACM. How to find out angle ACM? Yes, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is 180 minus 50 plus 90. Here 90 degree. That is 180 minus 140. This is 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree. Okay. Then similarly angle BCM. Angle BCM. Angle BCM is also 40 degree. Why? BCM, angle BCM is opposite to the side BM, and AM and BM are also equal. Okay, so here is 40 degree. Now what are the angles? Angle A equals 50 degree, that is given in the question. Then angle B is also 50 degree. The next angle C is 40 plus 40, that is 80 degree. Okay. Angle A 50 degree, angle B 50 degree, angle C is 80 degree. Okay. What we do? Given M is the midpoint of AB, that is AM equals MB. and CM is the common side of triangle AMC and triangle BMC. Next, here you have given in the question angle AMC is 90 degree. So angle BMC is also 90 degree because these two angles form a linear pair. Then angle A equals angle B equals 50 degree. What is the reason? The two sides and the angle made by them of triangle AMC and triangle BMC are equal. Then the other two angles are also equal, that is angle ACM equals 180 minus 50 plus 90, that is 40 degree. So angle BCM is also 40 degree since AM equals BM. These two angles are opposite to the sides AM and BM. Okay. Angle A 50 degree, angle B 50 degree, and angle C is 40 plus 40, 80 degree. Okay. Next question. In the figure, the lines AB and CD are parallel and M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Given AB equals 12 centimeter and CD equals 6 centimeter. Now the questions are: compute the angles of triangle AMD, triangle BMC and triangle DCM. Okay, we have to find the angles of these three triangles. Next, what is special about the quadrilaterals AMCD and MBCD? Okay, these two are the questions. The given condition is M is the midpoint of AB. The second condition is AB and CD are parallel. Okay. Now we have to find out, the first question is compute the angles of triangle AMD, triangle BMC and triangle DCM. Okay. So let us discuss the first part. Listen. First, consider triangle AMD and triangle DCM. Consider triangle AMD and triangle DCM. Okay. Now given M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. That is, we can write AM equals BM or MB. Now the length of CD is 6 centimeter. Here M is the midpoint of AB. So the length of AM is 6 centimeter and BM is also 6 centimeter. Okay. That is, in triangle AMD, AM 6 centimeter, CD, this in triangle DCM, CD 6 centimeter. Then here you have given one angle 40 degree, but in this triangle there is no angle. Now then the other given condition is lines AB and CD are parallel. Okay, take angle AMD equals X. Angle AMD equals X. AMD, here let us mark angle AMD X degree. So here also angle X. What is that angle? Angle CDM. This is angle CDM. Okay. Take angle AMD x degree. So we can also write angle CDM is also x degree. What is the reason? Yes, you have given the lines AB and CD are parallel. So the alternate angles are equal. These two are the alternate angles. Angle AMD and angle CDM are the alternate angles. Okay. Now consider these two triangles. We can write DM equals DM. DM equals DM. From triangle AMD and triangle CDM or DCM. This is the common side of both triangles. Okay. Now let us use the concept. What is the concept? Yes. Two sides and the angle made by them of triangle AMD and triangle DCM are equal. Okay. Here AM 6 cm and CD 6 cm. Then DM is the common side. Then their included angles AMD x degree and CDM or MDC is also x degree. Then we can say that the other sides and the other two angles are equal. Okay. What is the other side? AD equals here CM. The next angle A equals 40 degree. So we can write angle DCM is also 40 degree. What is the reason? Angle A is opposite to the side DM or MD. Here angle DCM or MCD is also opposite to the side DM. Okay. Now this angle is also 40 degree. Okay. Angle DCM is 40 degree. Okay. From this we can write angle BMC is 40 degree. Why? Angle BMC is 40 degree. Can you say what is the reason? Angle DCM 40 degree, angle BMC is also 40 degree. What about these two angles? Yes, these are the alternate angles. Okay, made by the line CM and meeting the pair of parallel lines CD and MB. Okay, so these alternate angles are equal. So their measure is 40 degree. Okay, now we have to find out angle BCM. Angle BCM. How? Yes, this is 180 minus 40 plus 60. Okay, that is 180 minus 40 plus 60, 100. So 80 degree. Then here 80 degree. Okay, we got the angles of triangle BMC are 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree. Okay. Now we can consider these two triangles. Triangle DCM and triangle BMC. Yes. Okay, once again, just I repeat. In your question, you have given M is the midpoint of AB and the lines AB and CD are parallel. Okay. If M is the midpoint of AB, we can write AM equals BM. Then if AB and CD are parallel, by taking angle AMD equals x degree, and we can write angle CDM is also x degree. What is the reason? They are the alternate angles made by the line MD meeting the pair AM and CD, pair of parallel lines AM and CD. Okay, so we can write DM equals DM. This is the common side of both triangles. Okay, by our result, if two sides and the angle made by them are equal in triangle AMD and triangle DCM, the third sides and the other two angles are also equal. Okay, that is AD equals CM. Yes. Okay, then next, angle A equals angle DCM equals 40 degree. Then what is the reason? DM is common in both the triangles, or they are the angles opposite to the side DM. Okay, that is angle DCM is 40 degree. Yes. The next angle, from this we can write angle BMC is also 40 degree. And that is, what is the reason? Since AB and CD are parallel, that is the lines BM and CD are parallel, these two angles are the alternate angles. So these two angles are also 40 degree. Okay, then angle BCM is 80 degree. Why? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. The next, consider another two triangles. Consider triangle DCM and triangle BMC. Okay, triangle DCM and triangle BMC. From that we can write CD equals BM. CD equals BM. Then CM equals CM. This is the common side of triangle DCM and triangle BMC. Okay. Now, from this we get, from these two triangles CD and BM are equal. Okay. CM is the common side, and angle CMB and angle DCM equals 40 degree. That is, the two sides and the included angle or the angle made by them in both the triangles are equal. So the third side and the other two angles are also equal. That is, we can write angle MBC equals angle CDM equals 60 degree. Why? Angle MBC is opposite to the side CM. Okay, angle MBC is opposite to the side CM, and angle CDM is opposite to the side CM. So these two angles are 60 degree. Okay, therefore we can write angle AMD, angle AMD is also 60 degree. That is here 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. Okay. Now we can find out the third angle from this triangle. How can we find out? Angle DMC. Angle DMC equals 180 minus 60 plus 40. What is the reason? These three angles, sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So angle DMC is 180 minus 60 plus 40. That is 180 minus 100. So 80 degree. So the third angle is 80 degree. Now next angle ADM. Angle ADM is also 180 minus 40 plus 60 or 60 plus 40. That is 180 minus 100. So 80 degree. This angle is 80 degree. Okay. So in the second case, we consider triangle DCM and triangle BMC. Okay. From the figure, the side CD and BM are equal. CM is the common side. Okay. So we can say that the two sides and the angle made by them in both the triangles, that is triangle BMC and triangle DCM, are equal. Okay. Then the third side and the other two angles are also equal. What are the third side? Here BC and DM. BC equals DM, and here also AD equals CM. AD equals CM. The next angle MBC equals angle CDM. What is the reason? They are the angles opposite to the side CM. Okay. So angle CDM is 60 degree. Now we can write angle AMD is also 60 degree. These two are the alternate angles. Okay. So angle ADM is 180 minus 40 plus 60. That is 80 degree. Then this triangle 40, 80, 60. So our first part is over. What is our first part question? Compute the angles of triangle AMD and triangle BMC and triangle DCM. Okay, what are the angles? 40, 60, 80. Now let us discuss our second part. What is the question? Second part. What is special about the quadrilateral AMCD and MBCD? Okay, we already got AD equals CM, AD equals CM, and BC equals DM. The next, check this angle. Here angle 80 degree, here also 80 degree. Okay, what about these angles? These are the alternate angles. These two angles are 90 degree. So we can say that the sides AD and CM are parallel. Okay, and also BC, this side BC and MD. Here 60 degree and this angle is 80 degree, here also 80 degree. Okay, these are the alternate angles made by the line CM and the pair of lines BC and DM. Okay, so these two sides are parallel. Okay, so we can say that the quadrilateral AMCD and the quadrilateral BMCD are parallelograms. Okay, let us stop the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.